wish the rain didn't have to go away. Just like that look, well, it never left your face. When you said don't leave me alone in this place, and don't you ever leave me standing alone in the rain, just as I tried to leave this place behind. And then he swore to me that there was another way for me to meet my fate without chasing license plates. But I said, sweetie, these roads, well, they're all I've got to my name. And I'm sorry, yeah, and I once loved you, but I really can't, stay. Your eyes look down to the ground, saying that it's not right. So you could always stay right here with me tonight, and by tomorrow it'll be alright. If not, you can leave me behind. By the time the sun could rise, well, I had a rose to the day. And I had asked if you would like for me to stay. Said I was lonely, well, before you came. So without you here, boy, it'll be exactly the same. And I said, I'm sorry, I'm only chasing these goddamn interstates, just hoping I could find someone like you. Well, you know how I always say that I'll be right back. Well, that's because goodbye means that this shit's gonna last. But if you've left before I get back, just leave this shit with me in the past. New storybook ending to my tragic mistakes, or just another way for me to save the goddamn date. I swear the next time that it fucking rains, I'm gonna be here to keep you safe. And I know it means nothing now, but I think I can stay. 'Cause some days I wish the rain didn't have to go away. Just like that look, yeah, it never left your face. And I swear that I could still have you, but I did what it was that I had to. Sometimes, dear, that pattering rain has to sleep. There we go. So for now, stretch these legs and I'll stretch these strings, 'cause everything I write ends up as an apology. I'll put these weary old shoes back on my tired feet. But could I still come home if it's raining? 'Cause Bluebird, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining.